So we're supposed to work out the length of side AB. First is to label the information, the sides, properly. We need the information for this side and information for that side. We don't need to label this side because there's nothing there that's going to help us. So please try to avoid naming all the three sides because you get confused as to which of these three formulae to use. So name the parts where you need them to answer the question. Some people will tell you name all the parts and cancel out what you don't need. I will suggest name what the relevant parts. So given this angle 25, x is the opposite, 20 is the hypotenuse. Now you check the triangle. The only triangle that has got opposite and hypotenuse is sine. So that means I'm going to use the sine triangle. To work out the x which represent the opposite, you need to cover what you are looking for. So whatever you are looking for, you cover it. And when whatever is left is on the same level, it means times. So that means sine of 25 times the hypotenuse will give you x. So x is equal to the hypotenuse times by sine of 25. And hypotenuse is 20 times by sine 25. I would prefer to write a number first before sine. The reason is that if you're not careful, when you are keying on the calculator, if you don't close the bracket after 25 before saying times 20, you may get it wrong. So to avoid it, always write a number first when it's times before the sine or cosine or tangent. That will help you avoid such a mistake. So x is equal to 8.45 meters. Now let's look at this second one. AC labeled as y. Given angle 50, 10 meters is the opposite. Y is the hypotenuse. Also sine triangle is what you're going to use. We cover the h. That tells us that y is equal to the opposite side divided by sine of what? 50. So you replace O with 10 and y is equal to 10 over sine of 50. In the calculator, to do this, because it's a division, what you need to do is you press the division button, which is the division button. At the top, you key in 10. Use the cursor here, bring it down, and type sine 50, close the bracket, and you hit the equal sign. Now, what you need to remember is that the sine or the cosine, whatever you are saying, is always with the angle. So don't forget, when you say sine, use the angle. So that's the answer for this one.